What's going on, everybody? My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. We're going to be doing a little bit of technical analysis. If this is the first time watching me, guys, I make the most technical analysis videos out of any YouTuber in the space, over 1,000 videos over the last year. Trust me when I tell you, if you're looking for levels to kind of trade, whether you're an investor, a swing trader, a day trader, you're kind of understanding technical analysis maybe for the first time, you need to really pay attention because there's a lot of good gems and nuggets that I kind of drop throughout these videos. So what we're going to be looking at here is Nvidia. Now Nvidia, an awesome gap and go. I know firsthand because I told everyone in Discord on Friday, I have a feeling on Nvidia, Airbnb, Microsoft, on some of these other names that they looked primed and ready to go. What does that mean? If we kind of look back to where we closed on Friday, look at this close here on Friday, where we closed right under the 5-day moving average, telling me that if we were to confirm getting over this price on Monday, okay, being that we held the low here, 153, 154, about 3 times, if we got over this 5-day moving average, we had room to run. Where did we have room to run? To the next area of supply. Guys, I'm telling you, technical analysis is skills to pay the bills. I'm telling you right now. So I knew that Nvidia had a good day today. I took 10 contracts of this on Friday. I sold on the initial gap up. The stock pretty much went sideways for the rest of the day. Tried to attempt to reclaim the 10-day moving average. I sold out of that when it got rejected for the second time. Sold out of that, took the profits. But here's what I kind of want to tell you guys going forward into this week. Now, are we going to continue to get a little bit of a dead cat bounce this week? It's entirely possible, but this right now is a stock picker's market, okay? Now, you may be sitting there asking yourself, what is a stock picker's market? Well, Nvidia is a part of big tech, right? It's a mega cap stock. It's part of the triple Qs ETF. We have some stocks in the triple Qs that gapped and ran today, and we have some stocks that gapped and sold off. We also have some stocks that gapped and absolutely did nothing today. So there's a big disconnect. For example, you could have traded AMD Apple out of the gate, not really made any money, but you could have chosen a stock like Tesla that did run off the gates. Amazon as well did pretty good off the gates. So with that being said, understand your technicals, know where your stock, meaning if you're going to be trading Nvidia, understand where your stock potentially is going to stop. And if it does stop there, what are you going to use as a stop loss? And where are you also going to be targeting for a downside move if the whole market reverses course? So with that being said, if Nvidia at any time this week, okay, if Nvidia at any time this week takes out 170, it has room to 172, and over 172 has room to this Bollinger Band here at around 174, 175. I would expect this area to be very, very choppy, okay? I don't expect this move in here to be the cleanest, okay? Because moving averages are declining. We're still under macro levels of daily supply. I would expect that it's going to be a slow grind. I don't really see another big gap up over that. I mean, to clear, for a gap and go, realistically, Nvidia needs to get over $177 to really have room to stretch, and that would be to 185, which is the 50-day moving average. One thing that I also kind of do want to keep in mind that is if we do sell off the morning, or we gap down, right? Let's say futures are red and we put in a little bit of a gap down this morning, or excuse me, tomorrow morning. Anything below 165.53, which is today's lows, technically on paper, yes, it has room to go down, okay? But it's not really the short trade I want, just due to the fact that if we look on paper here, right? So like if we were to take this down, write notes on a piece of paper, and clear set of rules, hey, it loses today's low, go ahead and short it. Yeah, technically on paper, yeah, that looks like a good trade. But with the rising 5-day moving average here, you can see big decline on this green line. It's a 5-day moving average. A big kind of reversal pointing up, okay? The last thing I want to do is short Nvidia below 164. Get trapped on this rising 5-day moving average, okay, in my short position, and get stopped out because this thing rips my face off. Now, When would I want to short Nvidia? I'm going to want to short Nvidia if it closes on a daily candle below the 5-day moving average. So when Nvidia closes, if it closes below the 5-day moving average, we are going to keep this simple and very cut and dry. Nvidia closes below 160.82. We're going to look for the following day to confirm that, meaning we want the price action to take that out. And then when it does, we're going to get short. What are we targeting on our price target? The most recent lows here, somewhere between 153 and somewhere between 155. That's going to be the bottom candles as well as the bottom wicks. Again, short below the 5-day moving average, long over today's highs. Understand though, you do have 2 points here, 3 points here. This I expect is going to be choppy. Nvidia might need to come back down, fill this gap on the 5-day moving average, go sideways for 1 or 2 days and then explode. That might be a more cleaner move for, a day trade. But again, beggars can't be choosers. We got to just kind of play the price action. If you guys enjoy this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. If you guys are looking for a day trading strategy, also check the first link down there. If you guys are interested in trading futures up to $150,000 funded, okay, skills to pay the bills, baby. If you guys are interested and you guys have the skills, you guys understand technicals, go get funded. Why risk losing your own money? This is the way I tell everyone. If you're really such a badass trader, go get funded. Why did I get funded? Some people have asked me, why do you get funded if you have money to day trade? Why wouldn't I get funded? Because if I've got the skills to pay the bills, then I'm going to add an extra income and revenue stream. I'll get funded. I only have a $100,000 account. I'll get funded $100,000. I can use that to trade. I can also trade my personal options account. It's all about generating income streams, guys. You have to understand that. This is not just about which day trade can I find that's going to go 1,000% and I'm going to be rich. It doesn't work that way. If you guys want to be serious about being a day trader, it's going to be a slow grind. You're going to need to take small wins. You're going to need to take small losses. You're going to need to keep compounding those wins time and time and time and time again. Develop the skills to be able to be numb to this stuff. If you still find yourself getting excited about a win, or excited about losing, you're not there yet, okay? You're not there yet. You need to become numb. So when you take a trade and you win, it's a good trade. Congratulations, move on. It's not the end of the world. I mean, you're not striking gold, and you're not going to become a millionaire trading 5 contracts of Nvidia, and getting 100% gains. It's not going to happen. Sorry to burst your bubble, but if you want to try to be retired, go play the lottery. But with that being said, I'll see you guys all in the next video, and make sure to leave me a comment.